Sterifab is a convenient, all-in-one insecticide, fungicide, bactericide, germicide, viricide, sanitizer, and deodorizer. It can be used to control pests and combat odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. It dries quickly and doesn't leave behind a residual, allowing it to be used in homes, schools, daycares, nursing homes, hospitals, restaurants, hotels, and more. Because it kills pests on contact, Sterifab is often used when treating bedbugs. It will only kill insects it comes in direct contact with, so be sure to spray directly onto live bedbugs and bedbug eggs. It can be used in the seams of mattresses and other fabrics like pillows and upholstered furniture that bedbugs have infested. Because many bedbugs hide in deep crevices, a residual insecticide should also be used to completely eliminate an infestation. Ants, fleas, roaches, silverfish, lice, and centipedes can also be controlled with Sterifab. Spray the pest directly and also spray nearby cracks, crevices, seams, folds, and other places where pests may be hiding. Again, as with bedbugs, pair Sterifab with a residual insecticide to control any pests that were not sprayed directly. Sterifab is also popular as a deodorizer. Spray on mattresses and upholstered surfaces like sofas and chairs to eliminate odors. It can also be used to deodorize and fight odor-causing organisms in carpets. Vacuum carpets, rugs, and mats, then spray all over with Sterifab, spraying the underside of the rug or mat if possible. Allow the carpet or mat to stay wet for at least 10 minutes, as the Sterifab will only fight organisms while wet. To sanitize and deodorize bathrooms, remove any debris like hair, then spray on hard surfaces like sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and floors. Allow it to remain on the surface for at least 10 minutes. Sterifab typically dries within 15 to 20 minutes of spraying, leaving no messy residue. It should not stain, but it's always recommended to test an inconspicuous area before using on any fabric or surface you may worry about staining. Sterifab is available in a spray bottle, but can also be purchased in a larger gallon size that's ideal for commercial properties like hotels and apartment buildings. Each bottle contains unique tracer crystals which can be seen under magnified UV light. This allows areas that have been treated to be easily identified. This is especially helpful for thrift stores and other businesses that need to show items were properly sanitized. Do not use Sterifab on people or animals. Be sure to read the label for where the product can and cannot be used. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.